The LG air conditioner air code Florida is an indication that the drain pan of the air conditioner is full. This code is triggered when the air conditioner operates under conditions of high humidity, causing the drain pan to fill with water and notifying that the condensed water has reached its full level. A full drain pan is the common cause of this issue. To resolve the problem, the drain pan needs to be emptied. This can be done by turning off the air conditioner and unplugging the power cord. Locating the drain port at the lower back, placing a container under it, and opening the drain port cap. The air conditioner should then be tilted backwards to allow the water to drain out. Once the water has been fully drained, the drain port cap can be closed, and the air conditioner can be turned back on. If this solution does not work, it is recommended to consult a service technician for further assistance.